How do we cultivate inner peace? The proper practice here is to use our human intelligence to transform our emotions. I use my intelligence to discriminate which of my emotions are helpful and which are harmful. I then try to restrain the harmful and increase those that are helpful, and this gives me peace of mind. 我们如何培养内心的平静？正确的修行方法是运用我们的人类智慧来转化我们的情绪。我用我的智慧来辨别哪些情绪是有益的，哪些是有害的，然后我努力抑制有害的情绪，增强有益的情绪，这样我就能获得内心的平静。